Hey everyone, welcome. If you're feeling, well, kind of overwhelmed by the sheer volume of new tech dropping literally every single week, believe me, you're not alone. So today's explainer is going to break down ByteLearnEth's Essential Tech Education Guide for 2026. We're cutting straight through all that noise to focus on the top 5 free AI tools you actually need in your rotation. Ready to change how you work and study? That is the big hook, the core promise we're exploring today. These aren't just minor little software updates we're talking about. They represent a total, fundamental shift in everyday efficiency. Whether you're a student completely drowning in research or a professional grinding out reports, there is an optimized tool out there ready to do the heavy lifting for you. We're going to break the whole shebang down so you know exactly which one to pull out and exactly when. Okay, let's dive right into this. To make this super efficient, ByteLearnEth actually organizes these 5 tools into 3 functional categories. So, category 1, the ultimate all-rounder. And that all-rounder? It's ChatGPT by OpenAI. Think of it like your ultimate digital Swiss Army knife. Its core strengths are writing, coding, and just answering general questions. Seriously, instead of staring at a blanking cursor on a blank page for an hour, you can use it to instantly brainstorm an email, debug a messy Python script, or just grasp a basic concept in seconds. This is absolutely your foundational starting block. All right, moving on to category 2, the ecosystem power players. This is for when you need AI built right into the software you already use every single day. And this brilliantly illustrates the current ecosystem wars. It's like a clash of the titans. On one side, we have Google Gemini. It's absolutely perfect for Google users because it connects natively with Gmail and Google Docs. Imagine summarizing a massive email thread and drafting a reply without ever leaving your inbox. Crazy, right? On the flip side, we have Microsoft Copilot, which is built directly into your Windows operating system and your Office apps, like Word and Excel. The choice here is pretty simple. Lean hard into Gemini if you rely on Google's suite, or make Copilot your go-to if you're already deeply embedded in the Microsoft universe. Moving right along. Category 3, the deep research specialists. These are your heavy-duty analytical tools for when you really need to go incredibly deep. First up in this specialized crew is Claude, made by Anthropic. Claude's absolute superpower is analyzing long documents and conducting heavy research. If you're a student staring down a massive pile of PDFs at midnight, or maybe a professional who needs to digest a 100-page financial report in record time, Claude is your answer. I mean, instead of reading that giant PDF for hours, Claude can literally extract the exact methodology or the financial summary you need in like 30 seconds. And it does all of that text crunching without ever losing the thread of the conversation. But wait, what if you're searching for that dense information in the first place? Well, that is exactly where Perplexity AI steps in. It's crucial to understand here, this isn't just a traditional chatbot. No, it's an AI search engine specifically designed for research. It actually scours the live web to pull together synthesized, fully sourced answers. It completely saves you from clicking through dozens and dozens of traditional search pages just to piece together a single, solid answer. It's a real game changer. Now, what's really interesting about this next bit is how it brings all of ByteLearnEth's insights together into this one super quick decision-making matrix. You can easily map ChatGPT to writing and coding, Gemini to Google integration, Claude for long documents, Copilot for Windows and Office, and Perplexity for AI search. It's like a giant puzzle, and all the pieces just snap into place. Instead of sitting there wondering which tool to use, you just match your current task right to this guide. It totally streamlines your workflow so you can bypass all that decision fatigue and just get right to work. So, the crucial point here is zero. Zero! The barrier to entry for everything we've discussed today is literally $0. According to ByteLearnEth, every single one of these top 5 tools is completely free to start using right now in 2026. You absolutely do not need some massive corporate budget to completely revolutionize your personal productivity. How cool is that? Let's move to and see how this builds into your immediate next steps. ByteLearnEth lays out a really clear action plan. Step 1, just try them all out. Seriously, go for it. Step 2, find the favorite that fits your unique workflow. And of course, to make sure you always stay ahead of the curve, they highly recommend subscribing to their channel and hitting that notification bell for more simplified weekly tech education. You definitely don't want to miss out on that. I'll leave you with this final burning question. Which tool will revolutionize your 2026 workflow? Don't just let this information sit in your head as theory. Pick one of these 5 tools today, boot it up, and actively start changing how you work. Because, knowledge is power, but applied knowledge, that is transformational. Thanks so much for joining us for this explainer, and go find the tool that works best for you right now.